Do it again. Turn it upside down.
Turn it upside down.
Shake it. Is it not working?
Yeah.
You're like this.
That's working. No.
What are you doing over there?